Promote on NFT calendars. Which are the top 3? NFT Go.io. They're averaging 372,000 visitors a month, almost 30,000 Twitter followers, 7,000 Discord members, and it's free to just be on it in the first place. You can list your project under their NFT drops calendar, and it looks like this. Say, submit your NFT drops. What is your actual email address? And then we will review all submissions. Only qualified projects will be listed on NFT Go. And then they want your logo, image next. What is your exact NFT collection name? Which category? Now you have a drop down here. Click the arrow and drop down and see that. What is the description in 100 words or less of your NFT collection? What is your price? Please end with a token symbol. What they're saying is, are you selling in Ethereum? That would be ETH. Are you selling in Solana? That would be Sol. Whatever it is that you're selling in, they want you to use the token symbol as well. How many total NFTs are in your collection? What is your actual drop date? What is the time that you're dropping? Is it AM or PM? Use the click mint link, the link to your minting page. This might be on your website. People do mint first on their website to their whitelist. And then what is your official project website, your official Discord, what's your Twitter? And then if you have Telegram, if no Telegram account, they'll use your email or Discord account. To have your project listed, they want you to follow them on Twitter at nftgo.io and make a tweet to tag them and share the tweet link here. If you have other requests, like you want a collaboration or a bot for your Discord or some kind of data inquiry, here is a hot link to fill out a form. Remember, if everything that you wrote down is wrong, click clear form. Otherwise, click the back arrow, okay, on the top of your browser. If everything's right and you know it's right, click submit. NFTcalendar.io. That is their URL, NFTcalendar.io. They have a drops calendar and they average about 1 million visitors a month, which is good, but their Twitter, Discord, Instagram, and YouTube are much smaller. About 34,000 on Twitter, about 49,000 on Discord, 24,000 on Instagram, and 858 YouTube subscribers. You can list your NFT project event with the event title is the name of your project description here, and then what is the cover image that you want for this particular calendar. When does your project drop? That's your event date. So what is your start date? What are the details? Which blockchain are you on? There is a drop down, so they're going to give you options. Remember, what are you going to be minting your NFTs on? That's the blockchain they want to know. What is the marketplace? What are the categories that you want to be listed in? Contact email address, that's your contact email address. What is the URL of your project? When they say event, they mean your project, okay, your NFT project. Copy and paste the exact address. What is your source announcement? Now that's really, really interesting because this is a link to the official announcement of your event. What is the marketplace URL? That is your project on OpenSea or Nifty Gateway or wherever it is, Foundation. And then the project Twitter. This they want actually not your personal Twitter, of course. They want your NFT collection Twitter. And then your official Discord server. And you want to put your invite link there. They don't want you to put just the link to the Discord. They want an invite link. They're trying to help you grow your Discord. Number 1, Rarity Sniper. And it is number 1. Rarity Sniper has 1.6 million visitors a month. They have almost 500,000 followers on Twitter. They have 325,000 plus Discord members. They are big. This is what their Twitter looks like. This is what their Discord looks like. You want to list your NFT project on Rarity Sniper's upcoming drops calendar. The way to do that is to click on the button that says Get Listed. And when you do that, it's going to show you at the top of the page two options. The first one is upcoming drops calendar with a hot link to click on. And the second one is for rarity ranking creation or advertising. I clicked on upcoming drops. Rarity Sniper's upcoming drops calendar is a form to get your collection added to their calendar. We only update the information of your drop one time. This is so important, so make sure everything is accurate because they're not going to. This is all on you. It's free to be added to our upcoming drop calendars. Consider free for 1.6 million people to be able to see your collection. You'll need to verify your website. What are they telling you? You need to already have your website set up for your NFT project. If you want to have your rarity ranking created, which is a paid service, here is the link to click the form. And the next thing is, what's your email address? They're going to ask you for the exact collection name. Super important that you spell it and you use upper and lowercase exactly the way that you do. Which blockchain is it going to be on? If it's OpenSea, it's going to be Ethereum. If it's Solana, it's going to be Solana. You know, there are lots of different blockchains. Make sure that wherever you are listing your NFT project for sale, that is the blockchain, the underlayment of that marketplace. There is a drop down for you to choose from. And then what is your exact website URL? What's your Twitter URL? We use your Twitter profile image as your listing image. This is very important because what if you don't want that to be the image? Now you need to change your Twitter image, right? So read everything, be aware of what they are asking you because it's not going to be changed. What's your Discord URL? What's the public sale date? Do you have one? You're gonna put in the month, the day, and the exact year, all 4 numbers. What's your public sale time? What is the public sale price? This is not the whitelist price. We've gone over whitelisting. This is what you are doing as a price point to the general public, only one price. Why do they say only one price? Because you, in your smart contract, may have prices set up to drop throughout the day or escalate throughout the day. And what they're saying is, what is the first or the last price point? You are not going to be able to show every single one of those. You must choose what that price point is going to be. What is the total quantity of your collection? Is it 3,000, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, 9,999? What is the exact total supply that needs to be listed here? What is your email address, okay? What is your Discord username with the number at the end? So when you get a Discord username, it will be something like, if it's my name, Sherry Barbera, and then a hashtag with a number, and they want the entire name. Would you like to have your rarity ranking created on Rarity Sniper after your sale? And they are asking you this because this is a paid service. So if you say yes, they're gonna make sure that you pay for it. Would you like to buy advertising in addition? This is not the same thing as the ranking. Okay, in addition, these are two separate things. So once again, you want to be sure that you know what the costs of things are and that you've budgeted for them in your NFT project budget. So this is where you want to say yes or no. When everything is what you want it to be sure your spelling is correct, your dates are correct, your times are correct, your pricing is right, that you didn't add an extra 0 or a 1 or a 4 or whatever. You know, make sure you've got everything right. Make sure your decimal points are in the correct place. So you're not saying 1 ETH when you mean 0.01 ETH, or you're not saying 0.01 when you mean 0.001. Make sure you're saying everything you actually mean before you hit submit. If everything is wrong, everything, hit the clear form. Otherwise, don't hit the clear form, hit submit. Promote on NFT calendars. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, we are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe. If you like this video, you know I love those likes. Thank you guys so much for being here. We'll see you in the next video. Ciao, guys.